Hey there, welcome back to Countdown Kings. Today we've got something super exciting for you. We'll be sharing the top 5 ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or just someone looking to earn some extra income, these options are sure to pique your interest. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Our first method is online freelancing. Thanks to the digital age, freelancing has become a booming industry, offering a wide range of opportunities. You can find freelance work in fields like writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, social media management, and much more. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great platforms to kickstart your freelancing journey. Plus, you get the flexibility to work at your own pace and choose projects that align with your skills and interests. Let me give you an example. If you're a skilled writer, you can offer your services to businesses, bloggers, or even work on ebook projects. Similarly, if you're good at graphic design, you can create logos, social media graphics, and website banners for clients around the world. The opportunities are endless. When starting as a freelancer, it's essential to build a strong portfolio, set competitive rates, and maintain open communication with your clients. Over time, as you build your reputation, you'll see a steady flow of projects and income. Next up, we have e-commerce and dropshipping. If you've ever dreamed of running your own online store, this is for you. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce have made it easier than ever to set up your store. You can sell products you create yourself or explore the world of dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers who handle shipping directly to customers. It's a low-risk way to start an online business and make money from home. One of the keys to success in e-commerce is finding the right niche and understanding your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify products in demand and develop a compelling brand story. Remember, customer service and satisfaction are crucial for the success of any online store. For instance, if you're passionate about sustainable living, you could create an online store offering eco-friendly products. Or if you're into fashion, curate a collection of trendy accessories and clothing. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication you can turn your online store into a profitable venture. Now, who hasn't heard about content creation in YouTube? If you're passionate about something, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, or even product reviews, you can turn that passion into profits. Creating engaging videos and building a loyal audience can lead to partnerships and monetization through ads, sponsorships, and even selling merchandise. So grab your camera and get creative. The key to success on YouTube is consistency and finding your unique voice. Start by creating a content plan and sticking to a schedule. Engage with your viewers, take their feedback seriously, and continuously improve your content. The more value you provide to your audience, the more likely they are to support you. Let's say you love cooking. You could start a YouTube channel where you share delicious recipes, cooking tips, and even behind-the-scenes bloopers. As your channel grows, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored videos and create your line of cooking merchandise. Our fourth method is perfect for those who love sharing knowledge. The internet has opened up a vast market for online teaching and creating courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on virtually any subject. If you're skilled in areas like languages, coding, marketing, or anything in between, you can earn money by teaching others from the comfort of your home. When creating online courses, make sure to structure the content effectively, provide actionable insights, and use various multimedia elements to keep learners engaged. Marketing your courses through social media and email lists will help attract students to enroll in your classes. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could create a comprehensive workout and nutrition course. Or if you're an expert in a specific programming language, share your knowledge through a beginner-friendly coding course. The beauty of online teaching is that once you create the content, it can generate passive income for years to come. Last but not least, let's talk about remote work and virtual jobs. With advancements in technology and communication tools, many companies now offer remote work options. You can find remote opportunities in fields like customer service, data entry, project management, online tutoring, and more. Websites like remote.co and FlexJobs are excellent resources for finding legitimate remote job opportunities. When applying for remote jobs, treat it as seriously as any traditional job application. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your remote work skills, such as time management, communication, and self-discipline. During interviews, emphasize your ability to work effectively from home and collaborate with virtual teams. Suppose you have a background in customer service. In that case, you could find a remote customer support position with a company that values remote work culture. Or if you're a language expert, explore opportunities for online language tutoring or translation services. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money from home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these options provide the flexibility and freedom to work on your terms. Remember, success might not happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn your home into a money-making hub. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which method interests you the most, or if you have any other suggestions for future videos. And one last thing, always be open to exploring new opportunities and learning new skills. The world of making money from home is vast, and your potential for success knows no bounds. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep hustling from home. See you soon.